Radiation is energy emitted from an atom or nucleus in form of waves or particles when transmitted through a medium, and that medium can be air, vacuum, human tissue, or some other material. And we all know that these media are composed of atoms. So radiation is of two types, ionizing and non-ionizing, but our focus will be ionizing radiations. So what is ionizing radiation? Ionizing radiation is a type of radiation that is powerful enough to eject electrons when it passes through a medium, and this process of ejecting electron is called ionization. And if there is raising of an electron in an atom or a molecule to higher energy level without ejection of electron, that process is called excitation. When a single event of ionization occurs, it releases 33 electron volt of energy. And we all know that for carbon bond to break, we need only 4.9 electron volt of energy. And this is approximately 6 times more energy. That is enormous energy. And that is the reason that this radiation, this ionizing radiation is destructive and is beneficial, and that it will cause the cell death of cancerous cells. So regarding ionizing radiation, these are of two types, electromagnetic radiation and particulate radiation. Particulate radiation, by name it suggests that it will discuss about particles. So this is the energy with mass and sometimes with charge. It transmitted from a material, from a medium. It can be of alpha particles, beta particles, electron, neutrons, and protons. While the electromagnetic radiation, in this radiation only energy is in motion, and we have radio waves, microwaves, infrared rays, visible light, ultraviolet rays. So how radiation causes cell death? Before describing this, I will discuss X-rays and gamma rays. They are similar in properties, but their mechanism of production is different. X-rays are produced when fast-moving electrons are made stop by heavy metals like tungsten, while gamma rays are produced by the nuclei of highly unstable atoms when they disintegrate by emitting certain rays to achieve stability. And when they emit rays to achieve stability, only then gamma rays are released, and this process is called radioactivity. How radiation causes cell death? So radiation causes cell death by two mechanisms. There is direct damage as well as indirect damage. And direct damage is done by all charged particles that are directly ionizing, and they have high LET. LET is linear energy transfer. I will discuss this in upcoming lectures. So the other damage is indirect damage, that is done by X-rays photon, and that is due to free radicals. And how that occurs? When X-rays, they ionize water molecules and they generate hydroxyl ion, and that will lead to free radical mechanism, and that will cause the cell damage. So in summary, ionizing radiation, they will cause direct or indirect damage, and that will cause double strand break in DNA, and that will lead to cell death of a cell. So now we can define what is radiotherapy. Radiotherapy is defined as the treatment of diseases by ionizing radiation.